Shwmai pal, I'm Riki and I've been a mountain guide for over 20 years and a walking guide for Involved Holidays for the past 2 years. I cover South Wales, specifically the Gower Peninsula. Some of you may have had the pleasure of my company or you may be joining me soon for an Involved holiday on the Gower. I'm so lucky to live in one of the most beautiful areas of the British Isles, with its rugged limestone coastline, exquisite sandy beaches and exceptional countryside. Gower never fails to impress, whatever the time of year. I look forward to seeing you all on an Involved walking holiday in Wales very soon. All point.